Let's learn how to generate AI images for free. If you want to know how to generate AI images for free, then follow this step-by-step video till the end. Open your web browser and type in bing.com in the address bar. Once you're on the Bing homepage, you can describe what you want to create. For example, you can type in friendly robot serving coffee 3D render in the search bar to find the images related to that description. Look for the Join and Create option on the website and click on it. After clicking on Join and Create, you may need to wait for your images to be processed. This could take some time, so be patient. While you're waiting for your images to be processed, you can explore for the homepage for inspiration for your next image description. Once your images are ready, you can check back later to see if they're available for use. When your images are ready, you will see them generated in 4 types. You can select any one of them. After selecting an image type, you will have options like share, save, download, or customize. Click on download to save the image to your computer. After clicking on download, your image will be saved on your computer. If you go to the Explore Ideas section, you will find many ideas and images you can pick from. To show you, let's say you want to copy the idea red sports car at a gas station. Type this description into the search bar. After typing in the description, click on Create to generate the images. You will see the images generated based on your description. Each time you generate an image, your coins decrease. This is a way to show that you've used a service or feature on the website. If this tutorial was helpful, please subscribe and like the video.